हरे नमः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। व्रजरेणुदासः श्लोकं वदतु। श्लोकं नाम
श्लोकं
स्टाण्डर्स्। श्लोकं वदतु। नैव एतदेव कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय
हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
पद्मावती।
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
श्वेता।
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
लेना।
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
कीर्तिदा। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय।
Микрофон выключен у вас.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
लूसिया।
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः।
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। व्रजरेणुदासः। रामाय रामभद्राय
रामचन्द्राय
नैव रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। पद्मावती।
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः।
समीचीनम्। एलिना।
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः।
नताशा।
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया नमो नमः।
सीतायाः नमो नमः। सीतायाः पतये नमः।
पतये नमः।
ओके देन श्वेता।
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः।
All together, okay? रामाय रामभद्राय
रामचन्द्राय
रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। इदानीं अद्य ह्यः past tense, present tense and future tense. All the tense are completed yesterday. Today that we are telling about the present continuous. Present continuous. Now I will form a sentence in the first. For example, Ramaha vanam gacchati. Here Rama is subject and gacchati, that is verb. Vanam means it is an object. Karma. What we say, that is karma pada. Rama is kartrupada. Then vanam is karma pada and gacchati is the verb. Okay, there are 3 words. Probably there are 3 words in a sentence. One is kartrupada, that is Rama, and then the karma pada, that is vana, and the verb is gacchati. We know about many verbs. Gacchati, khadati, patati, sprushati, nayati, like that. So Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, Bharata, these are all noun forms. This is called kartrupada. And karma, Ramaha phalam khadati. Padmavati, please tell, which is kartru, karma and kriya. Ramaha phalam khadati.
Ramaha kartikaraka, phalam karmakaraka,
yes,
and khadati kriya.
Kriya. Okay. Kartrukarakam, karmakarakam, kriya padam. If you want to say in Sanskrit perfectly, that is kartrupadam, karmapadam, kriya padam. Okay. Rama is kartrukarakam athva kartrupadam. Vanam is karma padam. Gacchati is kriya padam. Okay. In present continuous, what happens? In present continuous, Ramaha vanam gacchati. This is in present tense. But Ramaha phalam khadan. Phalam khadan vanam gacchati. That means Ramaha, that Rama eating the fruit, okay, phalam khadan vanam gacchati. He is going to forest. ऐसा कर सकता है ना, रामः फलम खादन वनम गच्छति. इदानीं पद्मावती पाठं पठन्ती गायति. ओके, पाठं पठन्ती गायति. व्रजरेणुदासः शालां गच्छन् किं करोति? शालां गच्छन् स्पृशति, वृक्षं स्पृशति. It means by going, Vrajarenusada Gacchan It is in present continuous. Gacchan, going. He touches he is touching the tree. Vriksham sprushati. Gacchan vriksham sprushati. Okay. In Bhagavad Gita, Dvitiya Adhyaya, there is a shloka. Gacchan shrunvan sprishan jighran ashtnan gacchan swapan shwasan pralapan visarjan chaiva unmishan nimishan api. In Bhagavad Gita, there is a shloka. Gacchan shrunvan sprishan jighran. These are all the words are called Shatru Pratyayanta Shabdaha. What is the name? Shatru Pratyayanta Shabda. Shatru Pratyayanta Shabda. Here, Pratyaya means suffix. The suffix is called Shatru Pratyaya. Shatru, that is the name of a suffix. Pratyaya. Shatru Pratyaya. Yadi Shatru Pratyayaha bhavati tarhi gacchati gacchan vadati vadan sprushati sprushan khadati khadan Ramaha phalam khadan gayati Ramaha phalam khadan nrityati. Like that, okay? This is present continuous. Then, idanim, there are so many present continuous words are there. If you tell me the verbs, then I will tell the present continuous words. Okay? Gacchati, gacchan. Dhavati, dhavan. Sprushati, sprushan. And then?
Kridati. Kridati.
Kridati, kridan. Pibati, piban. Sprushati, sprushan. Atati, atan. Atati yadbhavan anhikananam tritiryugayate tvamapashyatam kutilakuntalam srimadattatam bhuvi grinanti te bhurida jana. Okay? Jayati te dikam janmana vrajaha shrayata indira sadhu tatrahi dayita drishyatam tvam didrukshatam tvayi gata savaha tvam vichinvate. Jayati, jayan. Atati, atan. Gacchati, gacchan. But these gacchan, shrunvan, sprushan, khadan, these are all the words in present continuous. It denotes the present continuous, but these are all the words that we are using in the male form only. Idanim aham evam navadami katam padmavati phalam khadan shalam gacchati. It is not perfect. Okay? For female form, khadan nahi. Na kadan, kadanti. Okay? For female form, khadanti, gachanti, atanti, sprishanti, like Nadi, Gauri, like that. Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabdaha. Okay, Padmavati? Gachan,
It is
Gacchati.
like it
The
is
verb
like
is
Prathama Purusha Bahuvachana.
yes, yes, but there is dirgha also.
Dirgha.
Dirgha. There in the verb, there is no dirgha. But here, there is a dirgha and it is not a verb, it is a shabda. Ikaranta strilinga shabdaha. Gachanti, gachantyau, gachantyaha. Bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyaha. Like that. Okay, Natasha, do you understand? Gacchati. This is the verb, gacchati. For male form, gacchan. For female form, gacchanti. For the in neuter gender, gacchat. Gacchat. Idanim. Rama, Rama, Kshiram, Pibanti. Okay? Rama, Kshiram Pibanti, Vanam Gacchati. By drinking the milk, she is going to the forest. Kshiram Pibanti, Vanam Gacchati. That is present continuous. Okay? In English, we are telling like that. I am reading a book. What? I am reading a book. Aham pustakam pathan asmi. Aham pustakam pathan asmi. Asmi, swaha, smaha, like that. So, aham pustakam pathan asmi. Ramaha pustakam pathan asti. Now, what is Rama doing? Rama is reading a book. Ramaha pustakam pathan asti. Sita pustakam. What? Mohini? Sita pustakam what?
Pathanti.
Yes, correct. Perfect. Patanti vartate asti. Anantaram. In neuter gender, vahanam, vanam, gacchat asti. Gacchan, gacchanti, gacchat. These are all the shabdas. Gacchan, gacchanto, gacchantaha, gacchanti, gaccantyo, gaccantyaha. Singular and dual form and three. That is plural form also. Okay? Like that. Kumudakshaha idanim king karoti. Idanim aham maya vaktavyam. Aham vadami. Kumudakshaha kim karoti. Kumudakshaha likhan asti. Likhati likhan. Kumudakshaha likhan asti. Idanim mohini kim karoti. Mohini patham pashyanti asti. Mohini seeing the lesson. Okay? Mohini patham pashyanti asti. Lucia idanim king karoti. Lucia duravanim sprushanti asti. Lucia is touching the mobile phone. Sprushanti asti. व्रजरेणुदासः किं करोति? व्रजरेणुदासः इदानीं हसन् अस्ति. हसन् अस्ति, he is smiling. Vrajarenudasa is now smiling like that. इदानीं यलेना किं करोति? प्रश्नं पृच्छन्ती अस्ति. She is asking a question, asking, going, drinking. These are all in the present continuous. So इदानीं कुमुदाक्षः, इदानीं प्रश्नः, कुमुदाक्षः किं करोति? कुमुदाक्षः पाठं पठन् अस्ति. It is, these sentences are all in male forms. In female, Padmavati पाठं what?
पठन्ति.
पठन्ति अस्ति. Then Elena chitram means picture. Elena chitram what?
What chitram?
Pashyanti asti. Pashyanti means pashyati, to see. Pashyanti asti. Elena is seeing a picture. Kirtida kinkaroti. Kirtida पाठं शृण्वन्ती अस्ति. शृणोति, शृण्वती अस्ति. ओके, शृण्वती अस्ति, नॉट शृण्वन्ति, शृण्वती अस्ति. ओके, नटासा किं करोति? नटासा इदानीं पाठं लिखन्ती अस्ति. कीर्तिदा किं करोति? कीर्तिदा संस्कृतम् आलोचयन्ती अस्ति. आलोचनम्, आलोचयति, to think. Okay, the word आलोचयति, to think. आलोचयन्ती अस्ति. She is thinking about Sanskrit. Thinking, going, coming. I want to say coming. Not Shweta, is it possible for you to form a sentence coming by using the word coming? Samskrite. श्वेता गृहतः आगच्छन्ती अस्ति. व्रजरेणुदासः, you are going to a school.
व्रजरेणुदासः पाठशालां गच्छन् अस्ति.
Yes, samichinam. Idanim Padmavati is singing a song.
Aham Geetam Gayanti Asmi.
Yes, samichinam. Aham masto. Padmavatim swikarotu. Use the word Padmavati itself.
Padmavati Geetam Gayanti Asti.
Yes, samichinam. Kumudaksha. Kumudaksha, Bhavan kim karoti?
Aham.
Aham what?
Aham putakam.
Patam likhan asmi.
Aham likhan asmi.
Asmi. Because I am writing the lesson. Okay? Elena, vadatu. Bhavati kim karoti? Aham acharyam pashyanti asmi. I am seeing Acharya. That's all. Okay. Vadatu. Aham.
Aham Acharya
Hmm.
Acharyam
Pashyanti
Pashyanti
asmi.
Asmi.
Samichinam. Anantaram. Kaha vadati? Mohini vadati va? Lucia, Mohini, Shweta, Janaki, Trailokya Sundari, Srimati. कहाँ वदति इदानीं? मोहिनी वदतु। भवती किं करोति?
अहं पठं शृण्वती अस्ति।
समीचीनं समीचीनम्। अत्र अयं विशेषः, दिस् इस् द स्पेशल् वन्। शृणोति, मोहिनी पाठं शृणोति। इन् प्रेजेण्ट् कण्टिन्यूयस् मोहिनी पाठं शृण्वती अस्ति, नाट् शृण्वन्ती। ओके? When you want to say reading, aham, Mohini vadatu. Aham
पठं शृण्वती अस्ति।
Okay, reading, not, you are not hearing, you are reading now. Yes, aham. Use the word reading.
Reading.
Yes.
Aham padham. Как будет? Reading.
Patanti.
Aham padham patati padhati asti.
No, not patati. Patanti.
Patanti.
Asmi.
Asmi.
Asmi,
Okay.
because aham. You told.
Aham padham patati asmi.
Idanim, this is the present continuous form. Okay. Rama is reading a book. Lakshmana is eating a fruit. Okay. Namakirti, is it possible? Lakshmana is eating a fruit. Lakshmana. Not muted. Phalam.
Phalam.
Khadan asti.
Khadan
asti.
asmi.
Asti.
Lakshmana.
Phalam khadan asti. Idanim Elena vadatu. Take Sita. Sita is eating fruit.
Eating fruit?
Yes.
Sita Phalam Khadanti Asti.
Samichinam. Namachandrika Devi. Bhavati kim karoti?
Aham nrityam nrityanti asti.
Yes, aham patham likanti asmi. Okay.
Asmi, da. Aham patham likanti asmi.
Asmi. Whenever we are using aham, then it will become, asmi. We should say asmi. Ramaha Sita, for Rama and Sita, that is the third person, so asti. Okay? Idanim. Natasha prashnam karomi idanim. Shwaha bhavati, shwaha kim karoti? Shwaha. Tomorrow. What will you do tomorrow? Shwaha bhavati kim karoti? Aham.
Aham vakyam.
Aham shwaha.
Aham shwaha.
Shwaha means tomorrow. Okay.
Aham.
Patham.
Patham
Patishyami.
Patishyami.
Patham patishyami. Aham shwaha patham patishyami. Okay, Elena vadatu. Tomorrow I will eat a fruit.
Aham Shvaha Phalam Kadishyami.
Correct. Okay, perfect. Shweta vadatu. Tomorrow I will go to school.
Swaha.
Aham
Aham.
Shvaha
Ganishami.
Patashalam.
Shalam
Ganishhyami.
Yes, correct.
Ganeshyami.
Yes, Gamishyami. That is perfect. Okay. Mohini vadatu. Tomorrow I am not going to school, and day after tomorrow also I am not going to school. Today I am going to school. Yes, vadatu.
Aham Shvaha Patashalam Na Gamishyami.
Yes, and then
Parashvaha Aham Nahamishyami.
yes, Samichinam. Today I am going to school.
Adya Aham Adya Patashalam Gamishyami.
Gachanti asmi.
Da Gashyanti Asmi.
Yes, Samichinam. Padmavati vadati va? I am playing with my son. Now I am playing with my son. Adya
Mama Balakena Saha Kridanti Asmi.
Samichinam. Kridanti asmi. Samichinam. Balakena sahana putrena saha. Putropi balakaha. Parantu sahu visheshya putraha. Putrena saha aham kridanti asmi. Brajarena saha vadato. Every day I am reading Bhagavata. Tomorrow I do not read Bhagavata.
Pratidinam aham Bhagavatam pathami.
Athava present continuous.
Okay. Bhagavatam patha.
Bhagavatam patan asmi.
Pathan asmi.
Yes.
Athava shvaha aham Bhagavatam
na patishyami. Yes. Natasha vadato. Today that I am eating 2 fruits. Yesterday I didn't. Adya
aham phale khadanti.
Yes, correct.
Asmi.
Samichinam. Yesterday.
Yaha aham na phalam akhad.
Very good.
Akhad.
What Padmavati? What to say?
Akhadanti.
Yesterday I didn't. Okay. Yesterday I did not eat the fruit.
Akhadam.
Perfect. Correct. Hyaha aham phalam na akhadam. Samichinam. Samichinam. Atyantam samichinam. Idanim Shweta vadati. Today I am not reading the lessons. Yesterday
Adya На
Aham.
Адья, Ахам, на
Patham.
Патам,
Na patami.
на Патами.
Yes. Then yesterday I read it. Okay. Hyaha. Hyaha.
Яха,
Aham.
Ахам,
Patham.
Патам,
Apatham. Apatham. Apatava. Apatama. Akadam. Akadava. Akadama. Like that. Okay. Anantaram, in the place of past tense, we used the words only. Ramaha vanam agacchati. That means Rama went to the forest. In the place of verb agacchati, if we do not note the particular verb, then we will use a shabda there that is called tavat pratyanta shabda. That is Ramaha vanam gatavan. Okay, Natasha? Ramaha vanam gatavan. Krishnaha kshiram pitavan. Kumudakshaha patram likhitavan. Elena, I'm not telling about females, only for Purushas. Vrajarenudasaha patham likhitavan. Vrajarenudasaha patham patitavan. Natasa patham patitavati. Padmavati patram likhitavati. Elena Chitram Drishtavati. Mohini Kapim. Kapim. Do you know Kapi?
Monkeys.
Coffee. Mohini Kapim Napitavati.
Oh, coffee.
Sweta Phalam Khaditavati. Lucia Kridam Kriditavati. Kirtita Bhajanam Kritavati. Okay? Anna kim karoti? Anna Sarvam Shrutavati. Shrutavati means she heard everything. She heard everything. Okay? Idanim Nutanam Vakyam Karaniyam. Padmavati is taught one sentence, whatever it may be. But you have to use Gatavati, Shrutavati, Bhuktavati, Pitavati, Shrutavati, Likhitavati, Drishtavati, like that. Okay? One sentence.
Japam Kritavati.
Japam
Kritavati.
Very good. What is the meaning?
I was chanting my japa.
Yes. No, I was chanting now. I chant. That's all. Okay? Because it is in the past tense. Past perfect tense. It is not in the past continuous one. Okay? Aham japam kritavati. Samichinam. Natasa vadato. It is not compulsory that aham. You can take others' names also. Okay?
Sita kshiram pibavati.
Pitavati.
Pitavati.
Yes. Then Elena.
About me
Yes.
or about Aham. Aham Gayatri Gayati. No?
Naiva. I want the past tense.
Ah.
Aham
Past tense.
Gayatri mantram
Aham
Geetavati.
Gitavati. Okay.
Yes. Mohini.
Aham Shabdam Shrutavati.
Very good. She used it perfectly. Aham Shabdam Shrutavati. Samichinam. Shweta vadati.
Aham Pashyavati.
Naiva. Pashyavati na bhavati. Aham kam. Aham chitram.
Aham Acharya Pashyavati.
Naiva. Drishtavati. Pashyati is there, but it turns to Drishtavati. Ramaha Lakshmanam Drishtavan. Sita Ramam Drishtavati. Okay, like that. Rajarendasaha.
Aham prasadam kada I don't know kadatam
Kaditavan.
Kaditavan.
Aham. You have to say like this. Aham Bahu Prasadam Samyak Kaditavan. Okay. Aham. Idanim. Idanim Padmavati vadati. She drank the tirtha. Prasada and tirtha. Yes.
Saha Kirtan Kritavan.
Тиртха это Чаранамрита, значит.
तीर्थ को क्या करना है? Saha Tirtham.
Тиртхам они называют Чаранамриту на юге.
Чаранамрита. Тиртхам.
Yes.
Saha Tirtham. I don't know how to say it. Pitavan.
Yes. Saha. And then he ate prasada.
Prasadam Chak Haditavan.
Very good. Yes. Saha Vrajarenudasaha Tirtham Pitavan Apicha. Apicha means then and Apicha and Prasadam Khaditavan. Kumudakshaha Kim Karoti.
Chalanachitram Drishtavan.
Yes, Samichinam. Anantaram Dirgham Vakyam Vaktavyam. Dirgham Vakyam. I want a big sentence from you.
Aham Chalanachitram Drishtavan.
And then Anantaram. Annam
Kaditawan.
Yes. Then
Prasadam
Svikritavan. Okay. These are all the forms. Okay. Idanim etat samaptam. So in the place of the verb in past tense, whatever the verbs are used, in the place of that verbs, we used the shabdas. So that shabdas are in Trilinga, that is neuter and male and female, feminine gender and masculine gender. Okay. Once again, I will repeat all the words, okay? Ramaha vanam gatavan. Lakshmanaha Ramam sprushtavan. Sita phalam khaditavati. Lakshmanaha Rama vakyam shrutavan. Shrutavan, he heard the sentence of Ramachandra. Anantaram Govindaha Geetam Geetavan. Govindaha Geetam Geetavan. Keshavaha Sarvada Annam Khaditavan. Samyak Annam Khaditavan. Like that. In the female form, Annam Chita Annam Khaditavati. Rama Chalachitram Chalanachitram iti shabdaha nasti Samskrite. Do you understand? Chalanachitram nasti. Chalachitram. Chalachitram. Picture. Cinema. That cinema is called in Chalat Chitram. Chalana Chitram iti nasti. Chalat Chitram. Chalat Chitram Drishtavati. Aham Bhava Chitram Drishtavan. Aham Bhava Chitram Sprushtavan. Aham Vegena Dhavitavan. I ran speedily. Okay? Like that. Idanim punaha anyat avyayam. That is called indeclinable avyaya. You want to use it in the formation of sentence. So gatva, gachati, gatva, pibati, pitva, pashyati, drishtva, khadati, khaditva. Okay, please write down. One by one I am telling. Gachati, gatva. Gachati. You write gachati in the next gatva. Pibati, pitva. Atati. Atati means what? Atati means
Study.
No.
Study.
Atati.
Oh, fall down, fall down.
No.
Fall down.
Patati, to fall.
To wander. To wander. Okay. Atati yad bhavan anhikananam. Anhikananam bhavan atati. Tatra vakyam. Atati yad bhavan anhikananam. In the daytime, the Gopika Stris are told to Krishna, "Bo Krishna, in the daytime you are wandering in the forest." Atati yad bhavan anhikananam tritiryugayate tvam apashyatam. We are not seeing you in daytime because you are wandering. We are wandering in the forest. So every minute and every second will become thousands of years for us because that we are not seeing you. Atati yad bhavan anhikananam tritiryugayate tvam apashyatam kutila kuntalam vishvato mukham. Evam kila anantaram kim Padmavati? Kutila kuntalam
Shrimukham
vishvato mukham.
Jadau Dikshatam Pakshmadridrisham.
Jadau Dikshatam Pakshmanudrusham Madhuraya Gira Valguvakyaya Buddhamanojnaya Pushkarekshana Vidhikaririma Viramuhyatihi Dharasi-dhuna Apyaya Yaswana. That is very beautiful word. Apyaya Yaswana. Okay. Adharasi-dhuna Apyaya Yaswana. Then,
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Then what is there? There. The wordings.
I'm saying that you're going into trance while chanting the Bhagavatam verses.
Atyantam samichinam boha Bhagavata rasagnanam aharopi narochate. They are not interesting in eating the food also. Those who are already sunk in the Bhagavata. Okay? Bhagavata rasagnanam. Those who know the rasa of Bhagavata, they do not want to eat their foods also. Because that's why it's called as Bhagavata Amritam. Madhuraya gira Valguvakyaya Buddhamanojnaya Pushkarekshana Vidhikaririma Viramuhyatihi Adharasi-dhuna Apyaya Yaswana. And in the last stanza in Bhagavata, here, how the Gopika Stris are, how they weeped. Iti gopyah pragayantyah pralapantyascha chitrada rurudu suswaram rajan Krishna darshana lalasaha tasam avirabhut shaurihi Smayaman mukham bujaha pitambaradara srakhi sakshan manmataha. Here, in the last stanza, Gopika Stris are weeped with suswara. You see how? Yeah. How can it possible? Ruruduhu suswaram rajan. Suswaram. In a melodious voice, these Gopika Stris are all weeping. How? How can it possible? In a melodious voice, these Gopika Stris are all weeping. In melodious. Ruruduhu suswaram rajan. Suswaram. Tatha tatra vadati atyantam samichinam asti. Gopi Geetam sarvamapi samichinam bhagavate sarvam samichinam. Sarvam samichinam bhagavate. Tatra uktam madhuraya gira. Gira means what? Gira means words.
Voice.
Mountain.
Voice. That voice, how is it? Madhuraya gira. Krishna always speaks in very, very madhura, very tasty, very sweet voice. Krishna's voice is very sweet voice. Okay? Hare Namaha. Then, Idanim, Bhagavatam, Idanim, Natasha, Bhagavatam, Shrunvati Asti. Namakirti Bhagavatam Pibati Asti. Elena, idanim Krishnam pashyanti asti. What is the meaning of that? Krishnam pashyanti asti. When she closes her eyes, she is seeing Krishna. Pashyanti asti, like that. Okay. Namachandrika Devi, idanim Krishnam evam krutva, Krishnam alochayanti asti. She is thinking about Krishna. Okay. Idanim Krishnam alochayanti asti. It is completed now. And then gacchati gatva, atati atitva, gacchati gatva, atati atitva, khadati khaditva, khadati khaditva, smarati. Smarati means to remember. Smarati smrutva. Smarati smrutva. Vadati, but here it takes a little change. Vadati uktva. Uktva. Vadati, not vaditva. Vadati uktva. Kathayati. Kathayati means what? To tell. Kathayati, kathayitva. Kathayitva. Dhavati, dhavitva. Shrunoti, shrunoti, shrutva. Gayati Geetva. Gayati Geetva. Then Anantaram Chintayati. Chintayati. Chintayati, alochayati. The meaning is same. Chintayati, chintayitva. Alochayati, alochayitva, to think. Japati iti uktam. Padmavati japati. Sarvada Krishnam japati. Then japati means japati. Tva pratyantaha. Japitva. Japati, japitva. Tarati, tarati, tarati means to cross. Tarati means to cross. Tarati, tarataha, taranti. Aham nadim tarami. I cross the river. Nadim tarati. Tirtva, but not taritva. Tirtva. Tadayati means what? Tadayati.
To make somebody.
To beat. To beat. Yes. Tadayati, to beat. Tadayitva. Aham. Aham. Pashum tadayami. Okay. Pashum aham kamsam tadayami. Krishnaha kamsam tadayati. He beats. Tadayati, tadayitva. Dhavati abudva. Bhavitva. Nayati. Nayati will become Nitva. Pashyati. Drishtva. Pashyati, it takes a change. Drishtva. Pashyati, Drishtva. Nrityati. Nrityati, Nartitva. Nrityati, Nartitva. Patati, Patitva. Palayati, Palayitva. Palayati means to protect. Palayati, to protect. Palayitva. Pruchati, to ask the questions. Pruchati, to ask. Prushtva. Okay. Idanim, I will form one or two vakyas. Okay. Aham bhojanam krutva vanam gacchami. Okay. The sentence will become long now. Aham bhojanam krutva vanam gacchami. Natasa पाठं पठित्वा लिखति. नामचंद्रिका पाठं श्रुत्वा गायति. पद्मावती पुत्रं पालयित्वा गृहं गच्छति. नामकीर्ति भागवतं पीत्वा कृष्णं आलोचयति. मोहिनी भागवत कथां श्रुत्वा सम्यक् गायति. एलेना किं कृत्वा पश्यति. कुमुदाक्षः सर्वं लिखित्वा पठति. व्रजरेणुदासः कृष्णस्य प्रसादं सम्यक् भुक्त्वा चरणामृतं सम्यक् पीत्वा निद्रां करोति. Okay, like that. Because this pitva is, we can form a very big sentence by using this tva pratyantam avyam. Gatva, pitva. Idanim aham prataha snanam krutva shalam gatva samyak patitva phalam खादित्वा क्षीरं पीत्वा संभाषणं कृत्वा वनं गच्छामि. Okay, the sentence will become very, very long. Krutva, bhuktva, pītva, like that. Okay, idanim Padmavati vadatu shigram. Long vakya I want. Aham vadatu. Aham idanim putram palayitva patam shrutva patyam likitva bhagavatam shrutva.
Idanim aham acharyam shrutva किंचित आगच्छन्ति.
आचार्यं श्रुत्वा न भवति. अहम् इदानीम् आचार्यं दृष्ट्वा आचार्यस्य वाक्यं श्रुत्वा
Vakyam Shrutva.
yes yes okay वदतु
Aham idanim acharyasya Vakyam Shrutva Kinchit eva agachanti. I don't know.
वाक्यं न करोमि
Vakyam nakaromi.
समीचीनम् इदानीं नटासा वदतु एकं वाक्यम् अहं पाठं श्रुत्वा लिखामि लैक् दट् ओके वदतु
अहं पाठं कृत्वा अहं वाक्यं श्रुत्वा अहं
लिखामि पाठं श्रुत्वा लिखामि एलेना किं करोति अहं
फलं खादित्वा
yes then anantaram after drinking the milk
anam
aham palam khaditva and
aham phalam khaditva
drinking the milk
what drink I don't
milk piram
aham phalam khaditva anam
patami yes aham phalam khaditva patami okay मोहिनी वदतु
Звук включите, так будет вас лучше слышно.
Ахам прасадам боджанам критва, гриханам упашья, гриханам упадишьями.
Upadishami. Okay. Kirtida vadatu.
Aham acharyam shrunomi shrutva likhami.
Samichinam. Anantaram. Goswami vadati va? Anna? Janaki asti va? Rajarendrasah vadatu. Kiं karoti bhavan?
Aham acharya vachana shrutva likhami.
Samichinam. Shweta.
Aham idam na avagachhami.
What she said? Aham
na avagachhami.
Oh. Sarvam shrutam ante vadati Shweta aham na avagacchami. Yes, samichinam. Anantaram Kumudakshaha. Avagacchami means what, Padmavati?
To understand.
Yes. Kumudakshaha.
Pratah aham pratah aham
aham pratah snatva palaharam
bhutva pujam
krutva Krishna mantram japitva
Bhojanam
karoti. Anantaram bhojanam karomi. Samichinam. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। हरये नमः। धन्यवादः।
Acharya, can I chant one shloka to you?
Oh yes.
Actually, we all asked Padmavati to write a shloka. So it's on our behalf.
Samskritam shikshayati gopigitam chagayati yah premna tam priyacharyam sarve vandamahe vayam.
Oh, samichinam. Atyantam samichinam. Shlokam rachayati. Takshanam shlokamutva. Takshanam shlokamutva devi sarvan toshayamasa chiram. Samichinam.
Dhanyavadaha.
Shwaha pataha nasti.
Parashvaha?
Parashvaha bhavishyati. Shwaha padya. Pratipattitihi. Shwaha pataha na bhavishyati. Shwaha pataha na bhavishyati. Parashvaha pataha bhavishyati. Okay? You understood through Sanskrit only. No. Hare Namaha.
Hare Namaha.
Hare Namaha.
Hare Namaha.
Dhanyavada.